let's talk about alignment with purpose, ensuring that your daily day-to-day activities are aligned with your purpose. So where are you in terms of alignment? You feel that currently where you are at the stage of your life, you're very much aligned with your purpose? You're walking in purpose?
Yes, I'm at the place that I need to be. And I think Jah put me where I am. Because the place that I go, I never planned to go there. You know what I mean? But the mind is telling me that I'm gonna go somewhere great, right? So I lower it up to Jah. I pray every morning, you know what I mean? Glory be to the Most, I give thanks to life. So Jah know where I want to go. And Jah understand the mission that I'm on, so he's gonna lead me to the right place. I'm at the place now where unity is what Jammiwood need. It need unity of people from all over who want to see a better Jamaica, because that's the purpose of the movie that we do, is for a better Jamaica, so that when the time is right, everybody can be all right, right? So we cannot think about ourselves only. I don't want to be famous and boss in movie world, get big contract overseas, and the people them still in the same situation. That means I can't go live in Jamaica then, because they will come keep me when I come back. You understand? But if I can get the country to move into a better vibration where I'm not the only one being movie star, movie star everywhere, so everybody can feel good about themselves. If not, moving so fast, the next mission is building a city, Jammiwood City, where there will be the movie stardom and return residents who are afraid to come back because of violence. So we'll be a city that will be safe. When we say a city, is not what you see on the movie I'm talking about. It's not like Akan City, we don't have the money for that, but it's like a community then. It should be, it's a community, gated community, where it's self-sufficient, where no one have to really go out of it to do no extra, because everything is in it. You want gym, everything in it, inside it. You want supermarket, inside it, natural food inside it, farm the inside it, exercising things the inside of it, the bingo club inside it, everything for the in a one place. I went to Kingston and see they have something like that in Kingston. We have a basketball court, everything the inside of the gated community. And mostly rich people live in that gated community. I want high-rise did they, right? Be a rich people live there. Be a XUV and be a big vehicle live in that community. You can't walk in it. I be a security over there. So when the minister, they have to end up, nobody now run at their house go try to kill them. Like where we at now, people can come check anytime. You understand? So this is my vision now. So if that's the mission, if you can get everybody to move in, the vision the country can change fast enough. That next mission is to build the city, so that while it takes time to gradually impact the whole island, we have a space where progressive people can be and can teach from there. So we can, if this is the first example of a community of people living together, you can document it and say, if we live together, it can work with unity. So you need the people them to the movie star them mixed with other people who have the same thinking of unity, no bad mind in the city. You know what I mean? Just everybody's reason, everybody's try to be the best person they can be to impact the rest of Jamaica. Yeah, you know what I mean?
So a community of like-minded, well-intended people who are progressive, wanting to see a better Jamaica.
Yeah, one purpose, just one purpose, better Jamaica, better people. Example, just to set an example, then have it in America and them kill off the people them who did have it. There was black people them, like 300 of them, find a community for themselves, farm them up, they want bank and they want something. And in racist time, they kill them off. It's a massacre. It's in history. Them have them genes and them have a tail line, they have everything in that one place. We probably not go nowhere else. So them money would have circulated in them own local area and it caused jealousy. Why these guys living so good over here, sir? And we was a torment. Let's go kill them. So with knowing that now, you would know, say, if you have Jammiwood City, you'd have to think about security and looking for people to come and say, yo, they want to mash up this. Where we can build it and teach them outside to do not mash up this, because this is going to help you outside. Because what we'll do, ensure that this place is going to do, it's going to be like the heartbeat to help you around wherever the area there. It has to be something that go out to them, people outside, not to feed them like put food in their mouth, but show them and make opportunity relevant for them. You understand? So in the future, they can become somebody of purpose. You understand? So you can start from in the home, the kids them, the parents them have purpose, everybody have purpose. So we just move to one thing, everybody can, all right. Because it's the mindset. Because if we get up and say we're not no crime and violence and the things down, it'll be a better country, because this is paradise. It can work, but it is not at forefront. Everybody not thinking the same way. It's every brother, every different mind. So, but it should be, no matter the mind you have, it should be one purpose, better Jamaica. You know what I mean? We suffer enough already, so we don't think we should go back to so much, right? Because we are the one that's dying. If we look around, we the same people that do the slavery are dying, because it is, I can show you, I'll show you for example, right? If you in the square and you have a piece of land, and you have a big yard in the middle of the land, one big old yard there, so, and you have the kids them and you have a family relative them there, and you don't give them the first preference to build around the edge of that piece of land so they can build up some shops and something making money. And then you give other people to come in and build around the outskirts and tell your kids them to go and work for them and train your kids them to work for them. Your kids gonna be miserable. And when they're miserable, they're gonna kill each other. And then the people around the outskirts now will come in. This is the example of Jamaica. What I've done, they haven't nurtured the people them to be business owner. They haven't nurtured people to start their own business. Do not like that. They have teach them to go to what do you call it? When them left school, them go to one training center, train them off the wall dishes and white cloth and white floor. You know what I mean? Where is the forefront to push them to go to open a business? You know what I mean? That's not there. And if they go to the bank will not give them a loan. There is no opportunity for them to really start a business, really. They will tell them, yeah. So there's a lot of trickery. I don't think the leaders them really want the country to get better. You know what I mean? So when you are the good, nobody really find you to say, oh, you're doing good. You know what I mean? When you're doing bad though, them say the army come for you and will pass any of the spotlight. And you become the baddest thing. So when the man sing a song, man, now say some more good people again, the man sing about bad man, because bad man is where the attention is at. Right? That's what I mean? What about the good man them? Start focus on good people, and then if a bad one become good, because good I get so much highlight. Well, good to, tried that. They never tried that before. I think they should try that now.
So you're saying they should, highlight good behaviors as examples for people.
All right, when them look for boat and say boat can't run, everybody want to run. Because I get the sprays, yeah. All right, I want to run too. I look can't run. I look can only walk. They on the track, you understand? I try them best. No for a girl want to be running now because she's afraid and one of them because I say, yo, she'll run and can have things, More run too. You understand? So this is the same thing. They need to highlight the people that are doing good. And with them, they go highlight them and give them strength. Well, what does it take for you to go from here to there? So can you start here already? What does it take? That's what the country really needs. Anybody say nothing good, you go check them. Well, where are you the good enough? What do you need to go further? If you have them sing the all right, watch out. When somebody boss in America, and them make a money, watch company, I can check them, I can build a brand washing I can put on the market, shoes, shirt. Everybody I can tell them how to spend them money. You understand? So them have better this business option. Because they open a chain, a restaurant, they have advisor. Where's the advisor to make the people them wiser? There's no people like that, really around, really going to check the people them who are the good enough. So the country is not running for better. It's running like a runaway train. You understand? So that's why people are feeling so much pain on the street full of so much blood stain. So it's where the country is at now. Jammiwood is trying to just do some movie to try build these characters, somebody whenever the time is right and somebody in the world for them need somebody to do a movie, I want my company to be there and ready with actors and actresses who can play any role anywhere in the world. You know what I mean? So that's a big, so where I am now, I want to be the official Jammiwood Studios. So the building is going to go for purchase soon. You understand? So we would like to accommodate this place and have it. So we don't know what go on it, we don't really say, but anytime the time is right, this is the next move for Jammiwood to have the official studio. So if you want to do one court scene, one police scene, one any scene at all, you then have one yard. We part of this different place, then build up different room them for office procedure, for anything at all, we can really do movie. We have people that are here that are bright, that have subjects and all these things. You know what I mean? So, but we don't have the resources. So the purpose is to just find, that's why I do so much movie still. I'm trying to find that movie that is going to give me that recognition so I can get the investors to see that this is a serious thing I'm doing here. It's not a joke thing. And it have great potential because this is like reggae music. Yeah, right? This is reggae music in its prime when it just started. For if 10 somebody in our room and 2 somebody, that's 20% out of the 10. So if I put my movie up for people to watch, I will get more than that percentage. If 10 somebody in a room, me get more than 2 somebody liking it. Yeah, you know what I mean? So that's good. Put that ratio worldwide and see how 20% look. You understand? I don't need 20% to carry me where I go. You understand?